So I just opened 3 packages today, and let me show you what we got on the mail. So this little car, I don't remember where this comes, on which set this comes. Let me know in the comments below, because I don't remember. I had a lot of these, and I remember I put some twad faces, sticker faces, and I used to sell them as a Troublesome Truck. But nice model. Okay, now the next we found on those 3 packages are it's a Troublesome Truck with chocolate face. Is it chocolate face? Yes. Now this one is 2002 Troublesome Truck. Nice. And okay, here is another car. Southern lumber car. Yeah, it's a flip tipping car. I think was for Scarloy, if I'm not mistaken. Scarloy said, I think so. Now the other thing I found is Rocky the crane. Now it's missing the battery cover. This one we found it. It looks good. Now there's corrosion in there. I already uploaded I think a couple of videos how to rewire and restore one of these Rockies. Rocky the crane. Look how tight the back of the Rocky passes with the connector right there. But anyways, it will be a good video. So yes, I'm just unboxing. There's a lot of stuff to do. Remember, I have a lot of stuff to do. Now the other, look at this really old Thomas, and the stickers are coming off. Look at that. The chassis, it's broken. And now what can I do with this thing? The only thing I can do is I can use the spare wheels. We can paint them, you know, good for custom models. And since Thomas has the broken top, because I use them for, you know, when I customize, I sell them. The only good thing I can use is the face. Yes, the face is the only thing I can use, or make some sort of broken model, something jar, whatever. So anyways, oh man, there's a lot of dirt in here. Now the next one, there's this one is from Tomy, made in Thailand. Gordon's Express passenger coach, passenger car. It's not bad. Just a little bit of cleaning and we'll be good. I think I have a couple of these somewhere around. Now the next model is James. Look at that. The sticker. I think somebody put a sticker in here. This is what happened. If you have a model, do not put stickers over these stickers models on the original stickers, because these are paper. The original ones they put on these models are paper. So when you remove the sticker or tape, I look like this one has tape here, clear tape. If you remove it, it's going to peel off the original sticker. So I do not recommend to put any colored sticker or tape. Now let's do a little test here. Look at that. See, that's what happened when you put another clear tape or a sticker over the original stickers. They come off really easily. Yeah, this one doesn't. Yes, that's the problem. See, comes off very easily. No. But anyways, if you're taking care of your models, don't do that. Now the next thing we have, look at that, Plarail. Wow, they have a lot of dirt here. Plarail. So if Plarail is here, that means the steam alone Thomas is here. Look. Now, wow, look at that corrosion over there. Oh, it's coming apart in pieces. So battery contact is okay on the bottom. The two on the top one does have a lot of corrosion. Look at that. Are they strong enough? I don't think they're gonna broke. So the okay, let me see. Still can fix it, can be fixed. We can change the battery terminals and the entire motor, put a new motor in the counter way, just sand it and paint it if you want to do that with your model, and then you should be good to go. Now look, rubber tires are coming apart. Oh man, there's a lot of dirt on this thing. Okay, now try to put it like that. The next, oh, there comes another milk tanker. Nice milk tanker. I think the cards are better than the engines. And let me show you this. This one's in the yellow envelope. Here, so here is a flip face James. There's the angry face, and I can tell you it's not working. The blue wire, there you can see it, it's snapped, it's split in two, it's cut. So other than that, look at the tire, the wheels are gray. So this is the way you find it. Even if you don't like it, that's the way the manufacturer did it. I read a comment the other day that the subscriber didn't like the wheels, but hey, I didn't design this. That's the way it comes in as original model. So you better do a little research before commenting, because this is the way it comes. I didn't do anything with that model. But anyways, now we have another Gordon. Look at the stickers, they look clean, decent. These also have broken wires. The good thing is it looks clean, and it comes with battery cover, which is good. So this one is 2001 from Tomy. Now there is one more thing. Look at that disgusting thing. Man. So look at that. Even the stickers are coming off. Look at the stickers. So I was a long time ago reading the comments. Somebody said that I put this on water so I can make a videos. Poor little thing. This is the way you find it on eBay. Most of the models are as they are. You know, you find it as it is. Because they are forgotten somewhere and on their attic or whatever. So anyways, oh, there's a lot. Now the last model is I think I have one of these laying around. I have one of these laying around somewhere. Yes, I remember I have one of these. This is common. People cut the wires on this. This is a talking flip face. Look, Thomas. Yes, I have another one. I don't know if I sold it already. Yes, because I rewired and fixed it. But this one does have a broken tabs, or somebody tried to fix it, but I don't know. We gotta find out if this is okay. I don't know. But that's all for this unboxing. Today's unboxing. These are good for me. I rather like the broken ones or with the worst condition, so I can make good restoration, so you can do it at home. So there you have it, guys. That's for today's unboxing. So we have a lot of good models to fix on the next couple of months. Okay, that's all for today. Bye.